Self-employed workers have a harder time comparing cash advance apps because many apps use different eligibility checks instead of a standard approval process. By the end, you'll know what to compare when choosing a cash advance app for self-employed income, including approval requirements, costs, and how each option fits different work situations. The main thing to check is whether an app actually matches the way you earn money. A freelancer, contractor, or business owner may not have a traditional paycheck, so the app's requirements can matter more than the brand name. The first category to compare is income access. Some apps are designed around regular deposits, while others may consider different types of income activity. Check the app's current requirements before creating an account because eligibility rules can change. The second category is cost. A cash advance is not just about getting money quickly. Look at any fees, optional charges, subscription costs, or delivery fees before deciding if the app makes sense for your situation. The third category is speed and convenience. Self-employed workers often deal with uneven income schedules, so the process matters. Review how the app handles account connection, identity verification, and receiving funds before relying on it. When comparing popular options, look at apps such as MoneyLion and Instacash, Dave, Bridget, Clover, and Earnin. Each service has different requirements, pricing structures, and account features, so the best choice depends on your income setup and what you need from the app. If your income changes from week to week, avoid choosing an app only because it advertises fast access. Check the full cost and the steps required before signing up. If you work for yourself, keep your financial records organized, because many financial services may ask you to verify income or account activity. Connecting the right account and providing accurate information can make the process smoother. The best cash advance app for self-employed workers is the one that fits your income pattern, has clear costs, and gives you terms you understand before accepting an advance. Before choosing an app, compare 3 things: eligibility rules, total cost, and how the repayment process works. That quick check can help you avoid picking an option that does not match your situation. If this comparison helped you understand what to look for, like the video and subscribe for more practical money comparisons.